Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, mind, mind.
Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how I got this beautiful pink sunset look, makeup look I'd say. So if you're interested, please stay tuned to the end of the video. What's up guys? So first things first, I'm going to be moisturizing my dry eye skin with some coconut oil because my dry eyes are dry as their hair a desert, and I am going to do my eyebrows. Now I am going to rub this off my eyes, off my under eyes, because I don't want to leave any excess, or else when I put concealer and all that stuff on, it'll crack right off. And now I'm going to be using some pore filler. I like to put this under my eyes because it fills in the lines and pores. Now I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty primer. Now I'm going to be using some L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Foundation. I don't really need full coverage. I don't want to look too caked, you know what I'm saying? That's just my preference. Then I like to use some concealers. It's the NYX one again, but in two different shades. I'll list it on the side. So I'm just going to put this a little bit under my eye. I like to start down here first. Blend the bottom side first. And slowly blend upwards. And then now I'm just going to use, I do one eye at a time, mind you. This is sort of weird, but this is how I do my makeup. I'm going to take the O2 shade, which is a shade lighter, and just do a little dot. Just to highlight, just a dot. Not too much. Don't want it to crease. So I'm gonna brighten it up. And right away, I'm gonna be using the Coty airspun. This side's perfect, flawless, beautiful. Now I'm gonna do this side. Bam. And back with the Coty airspun. Time for the eyes, which is the fun part. First, I'm going to be using my Nars blush in Torrid. Just feather it all out, feather it around. And so now I'm going to take the Morphe burnt orange side, and I'm just going to put it on my eyes. Oh, now it's looking hella orange, that's for sure. Just gonna have to infuse the side of the product. Which product came out? Use the same fluffy brush and just blend the edges out. And I'm just gonna use another blush. I'm gonna use the Milani Tea Rose blush. Just stuck my finger into it. Ugh, so sad. So just let it be. Oh, damn, that's pigmented. I'm sorry, I'm very slow at doing my makeup. I usually take like legit 1 hour in the morning to do my makeup before I go somewhere, before work. So I'm gonna have to cut this video short somehow, and I'm just gonna darken it up with Love Letter. There we go. Just darken just the outer corner, just here, just dab it in. I'm gonna be using another blush. Might as well call this a blush tutorial. I'm using the Milani luminoso. Okay, this is a little ghetto. Alright, be prepared. I just have like a Anastasia pomade jar, but inside I have my NYX orange, like very bright orange shadow. I forgot the name of it. It's my favorite bronzy orange, you know, shadow. So I'm just gonna dip in with a small pointed brush, bada bing, and I'm just gonna dab it in on the center of my lid. I'm gonna use some Fix Plus. Hold up a second. Hopefully this works better. I like my women like I like my money. Green, a little I need a mirror close up. This is sort of weird. I give props to beauty gurus who do this shit, because it's difficult. Now I'm going to be using this Stila glitter. Okay, I got a pointed small brush. Okay, I'm not going to focus on it, whatever, it doesn't work. Just going to get a little bit and I'm just going to dab it in the center here. It will stay with you, fly great escapes with you. Boom. And I think I'm gonna add a little bit to my lower lash line. Would you wait for me? I go out to the bar, fuck hanging with the stars, don't even have a car, but you away from me. This holy, oh my god, I just forgot. Like I'm filming. Forgot I'm filming, so you know, covered the frame a little bit. Majority of the time I like to use brown eyeliner, and the brown eyeliner is my pomade that I use for my eyebrows, so you know, I like to use it for both things. But dip it back into here. Now the wing's the hard part. The hard part. I like to, it's sort of weird. Once again, I like to get the brush and just take the excess off, really point the tip, like really make the tip pointed. That's what I meant. And so I could do a thin liner. Yes, I know. I'm just gonna like clean it up a bit with like the excess I still had on my concealer brush. There we go. Now all I'm gonna do is curl my lashes again. It's barely visible, and I'm just using some waterproof mascara. It's just to keep the lashes up, so when I put my falsies on, there won't be, you know, some fake lashes going up like this and then my straight lashes going out this way. So that's the reason why I'm gonna do that. I'm not blessed with curly lashes, curly thick lashes. So now I'm gonna get my lashes on. So I'm gonna be using the Lash Duo, my favorite lash glue. Stays on all day. So I'm just gonna leave those to dry, and while I'm waiting for those lashes to dry, I'm going to be using my Marc Jacobs Kohl black pencil. I think it's the gel liner. This is gonna be a little unattractive, but I don't want my liner to touch my contact, because that's what usually happens if I don't stretch my eye up like this. There, the other side. So now I'm going to pick up the lashes with some tweezers. It's easier to put them on with tweezers. And I'm just going to plop them right on top. I like to look down and just push it in. So, here we go. Wow, look at that difference. My eyes are so big and open. Wow, look at that gorgeousness. Ah. I love having lashes. And now I'm going to line my waterline. So I'm just gonna push my eye down. I know it's unattractive once again, but whatever. Anyways, I'm back, guys. While I was, you know, putting this in my waterline, my contact just popped right out. I might add that in the video, who knows. But yeah, I'm back. Time to waterline the other eye. Wow, so many things going wrong in my first video. And also, now I'm gonna be using any random eyeshadow, any mascara, and I'm just going to blend them together again and just volumize the lashes a little bit. And I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I'm just gonna dip that in the center of my eye, in the corner of my eye. Now, the eyes are finalized and finished. Time to finish off the skin. So now I'm gonna go in with a brush, a fluffy brush, to put on my Toofaced Chocolate Soleil bronzer on the forehead to minimize my forehead. Now back with the Nars blush in Torrid. Blush up the cheekbones. Right, mate. Let's go. Oh shit, it is looking fantastic. Now, blush is done. Time for the highlight. My favorite highlight. I own a ton, but my favorite is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy collection. And I'm just going to just keep putting on a ton. Just like putting a lot on my nose. And just a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Oh. Oh, oh, it's looking glittery. Oh, oh, a little bit on the cupid's bow. Ooh, I'm looking glittery as hell. Holy shit. It feels good. It feels like I'm glowing. Anyways, time for the lips. I'm just gonna use the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Ooh, holy shit, I'm glowing, honey. I'm glowing. Oh my god. But yeah, this is the makeup look.